Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So, students, let's start our English class. Yesterday, we had completed some exercises of chapter 20, which was adverb, as you can see here. This was the chapter 20 adverbs, and we had completed most of the exercise. Yes, this exercise G we had not completed. So let's complete this exercise G today. First question of exercise G is, here you have to write when adverb. I think we had completed this exercise. Yeshwant?
Yes.
G exercise we had completed. So let's complete H exercise, which is, please read the story carefully or carelessly. Rishika, have you completed this exercise G and H?
Ma'am, no G or N.
So let's start completing this exercise G first of all, students. Okay. So this is exercise G in which we have to fill up when adverb. Most of the students, I think, have not done this exercise G. That's why we are completing exercise G. The school is closed tomorrow. I go for swimming classes daily. Yesterday. Off your mic. You should leave. Good night. She woke up late. Came. Who is this? Off your mic, I'm saying.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this? Good morning, Aratha. Why are you so late?
Ma'am,
Take care of time and start writing. The school bus came early today. War broke out 2 years back. My grandfather was in army. Then the program had started. He came. I will leave. Have you all written? Write it down fast.
no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm written.
Very good. Rishika.
Ma'am, my work is completed. My work is completed. Ma'am, my work is completed. Ma'am, my work is completed.
Here is H in
Ma'am, my work is completed.
at, we have to tick the correct at.
Ma'am, my work is also completed.
Here we just have to correct the tick
My work is
correct.
completed. Please read the story.
Off
Clear
your mic.
lesson.
Off
Clear
your
lesson.
mic is on. Off your mic. If you want to, whenever you want to ask something, just then that is you're on your mic. Otherwise, do not off on your mic. If you want to ask something, just raise your hand. Alka and Atit, on your cameras. Now, please read the story carefully. Will be the answer. I will meet you soon. We were waiting for them eagerly or loudly? Eagerly. On holidays, I get up early or get up late. There should be I get up late. Rohini sang sweetly or never sang sweetly. The dog barked sweetly or loudly? Loudly. You have to meet me angrily tomorrow. Tomorrow. I could not hear his voice behind or clearly. Clearly. We ran sadly fast to catch the train. We ran fast to catch the train. Rohan opened the gift fast, far, or excitedly. Excitedly. I hope that you all have done all the exercises. Have you completed? Okay. I hope that you all have done. Now move to the next exercise. Actually, next chapter. Let's move to the next chapter, which is chapter 21, preposition. What are preposition? As you can see, the boy is sitting under the tree. The cow is standing near the lake. The house is behind the tree. The boy is swimming in the lake. The boy is swimming. The boy is swimming in the lake. The bird is sitting on the roof of the house. The word under, near, behind, in, on are prepositions. The words which are written in bold are prepositions. The word that shows the relation of one thing with another in a sentence is called preposition. We go to school every day. I'm standing with Sahil. We are waiting for the bus. We are standing in front of a tree. A bird is flying over the tree. The words which are written here in bold, they all are prepositions. Farah is standing between her father and mother. The man is standing by the window. The dress is made of silk. They are smiling at one another. June comes after May. Here also all the words which are written in bold, they all are preposition. So here now we have to underline the preposition. So let's start completing this exercise. The boy is playing in the garden. Here preposition is in. The bird is flying over the tree. Preposition is over. Jay sat between Ronnie and Sunny. Here preposition is between. Please listen to me. Preposition is to. The clock is on the wall. On. The dog is sleeping under the table. Under. Our school is near our house. Near. A cycle is kept under the tree. Under the tree. The car is parked in front of the gate. In front. She is writing with a pencil. With. I bought the vegetable from the market. From. Jyoti kept her book on the table. On is the preposition. The team will reach the ground in the morning. In. She is suffering from fever. From. The medicine is for Nisha. For. Complete all the questions. I hope that you all have done, so that we can move to the next exercise. Diviraj, have you completed? Very good, Mansha. Have you completed, Mansha? Very good. Yes, Ayush, completed? Very good. Now, I hope that you all have done. Move to the next exercise. Look at the pictures and choose the preposition. So here we have to look at the pictures and choose the correct preposition. Which is the correct prepositions? Yeah. Rohan is sleeping dash his bed. On his bed or between his bed? On. On is the answer. On his bed. The clock is dash the wall. On the wall or between the wall? On the wall. The cat is sitting dash the kittens. Between the kitten, on the kitten. Between the kitten. The boy is playing a bat. The boy is playing with the bat or in front of bat? With the bat. Jeet is standing dash the television. In front of television, over the television. In front of. The teacher is standing dash the board. Near the board, on the board. Near the board. The water bottle is dash the table. Under the table, in the table. Under the table. I hope that you all have done. You just have to tick the correct option. Two options are given here now. So you just have to tick. So tick lagana hai. With. Here you can see between. Here in front of. Here near. Here under. I hope that you all have done. Very good, Mansha. Yashwant, have you completed? Very good. Very good, Alka. Now move to the next exercise. One more question. I think, yes, 3 more questions are here. So you can complete, I think, these 3 questions. Mohan is hiding. Mohan is hiding on the tree or behind the tree? Behind the tree. The books are on the table or in the table? On the table. I gave the pen to Maya from Maya. To Maya. Move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition. Here we have to fill in the blanks with a correct preposition. So let's complete it. I go to school to my sister. So what will be the answer? With my sister. I go to school with my sister. They are talking in the class. The table is made dash wood, made of wood. It is raining, come under my umbrella. The book is dash the table. Book is on the table. Morning comes after night. My father has brought a gift for me. They are talking to the teacher. Completed? Completed? Very good. Completed, Sarthak? Sarthak, have you completed? Very good. Very good, Ayush. Now move to the next exercise. I think this exercise is actually in this exercise you have to underline the preposition in this paragraph. So I hope you understand that what are preposition like in, on, under, for, with, after, to, at. These all types of words are preposition. Understand? So in this exercise D, you all have to do by yourself. You just have to underline the preposition. Like Jyoti is on the beach. So here preposition is on. To underline on. इस तरह से सभी में underline करना है. Understand? Now move to the next exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So let's do this exercise. After that, class will be over. So this is the last exercise. Let's complete it. The girls are sitting on the bench. The teacher is standing near blackboard. There is a teddy bear. There is a teddy bear in front of a girl. In front of. A chart is dash the wall, on the wall. The teacher is explaining a sum to the students. I hope that you all have done. Students? So with this chapter, our grammar, our PT2 grammar portion is completed. Understand? So from our next class, we'll move to our English glitter, main course glitter. We'll study English main course glitter.
Ma'am, English glitter read from 9th chapter, A Lost Camel.
Yes, from next class. Understand?
Okay,
so our PT2 portion of our English grammar is completed. So I hope that you all have done. Have you all completed? Very good. So students, that's all for today's class. We'll meet in our next class with English glitter, new chapter. Complete all the grammar work and send it to me. Okay? So good day, students. Take care.